Hey there, my name is Wellington Zo. I'm an Atlanta-born native of Taiwanese descent. I am joining this Korean food cooking contest because I've had a love of Korean food ever since I tried it for the very first time. I've really had an opportunity to try a lot of different things, and everything I eat is still super amazing to me. I am doing a little bit of a twist, traditional Korean bulgogi. I'm making it into Bulgogi Arepas. I hope you enjoy, and thank you very much. So these are the Bulgogi Arepas made with a kimchi, pickled onions, and jicama slaw. And we have a side garnishment of avocados. Enjoy!